My people, breaking news. Nigerians, Bola Nigerians have done it. Oh, again. So, the Cyber Security Authority, collaboration with the National Security and CSA, ladies and gentlemen, has arrested 53 Nigerians Bola who are in Ghana here doing yahoo, doing 419. Ladies and gentlemen, as they were arrested in East Lagos Hills, 2 Afienya, 3 Weja, and 4 Tuba. Ladies and gentlemen, the items retrieved in this operation: 52 mobile phones used for the yahoo, 62 laptops, 62 laptops used for the yahoo. Ladies and gentlemen, the shocking aspect is that with this operation is that they retrieved 2 pump action. 2 pop action. When I say pop action, you know, now chewing gum. Ladies and gentlemen, now these security agencies have hand over these Nigerian Bola who don't want to work, who are lazy from their country to our country to damage the image of Ghana, hand over to the Ghana immigration and the law enforcement. Ladies and gentlemen, the question is, are we safe in this country as Ghanaians? Are we safe in this country as Ghanaians? There's a foreigner from Nigeria doing yahoo in Ghana. Even as for that, I will not dig inside now, but let's dig inside the pop action that a foreigner is having a chewing gum pop action in his house, in protecting his yahoo business in Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, which means allegedly in the night, some of them will use that pop action and go out to do roro. Because yahoo money not be every day. Yahoo money they enter. Not be every day. Yahoo money they enter. How loose our immigrations are for a foreigner to enter this country Ghana with pop action. This one, intelligence got by the security agencies. That is the main reason why these people were apprehended. Now the question is, what about the rest? Where they don't have any clue about them now. Ladies and gentlemen, and our security service start entering these foreigners, especially these Nigerian Bola their houses, doing search. Just search them anyhow, because they are more. I believe as a Nyash president, I said they are more. These are just two pop actions. They are more. Anyway, my name is the Nyash president, and I continue to be your #1 Nyash president all over the world. Anyway, the power to the Nyash. One. These people, they are very evil people. Evil Nigerians. Nothing anybody can tell me. You come all the way from your country to do yahoo in someone country, and on top of that, you carry two pop action. What are you doing with the pop action?
I apologize. I'm continue.
My people, everywhere, good. Two Nigerian kidnappers has been apprehended by the Nigerian security. Ladies and gentlemen, when we say Nigerians, they mumu, abeg, let's dig inside. So, these two Nigerian Bola bears kidnapped two married women. Ladies and gentlemen, as they were waiting for their ransom to be paid so that they can release these two married women, these two Nigerian kidnappers begin to pino these married women. Ladies and gentlemen, the married women also pretend as if they are enjoying it. Some of the sound these married women were doing. Ooh, bandits. Ooh, bandits. Ooh, bandits. I am enjoying. Ooh, your joystick is more joyful, more than my husband joystick. Ooh, bandit. Ooh, bandit. Instead of bandit, then they call it ooh, bandit. Ooh, bandit. Ooh, bandit. So, as they knock the married women, and as the ransom was paid, ladies and gentlemen, there the ladies or the married women now ask the bandit, oh bandit, the way you people were knocking us, we enjoy. So now, let's exchange contacts so that you people, we can continue this romantic segment. Now, how mumu Nigerians are, how mumu they are, how idiot these Bola bears are. They agree and exchange contact with these bandits. Ladies and gentlemen, the bandits released the married women on Sunday as the ransom was paid. Now, these married women continuously communicating with these bandits. They started the romantic communication or testing with these bandits. The both of them still arranged with these bandits that let's meet in a hotel in a Kuredu. Ladies and gentlemen, the bandits foolishly mumu themselves and went. Already, these married women have already lodged complaint to the Nigerian security. Aww. Where they were alert, and as the bandits got there with their joystick, they want to come and enjoy on top of collecting ransom. There, the Nigerian security tactically pick these bandits. Ladies and gentlemen, what a news. Is that how some people can reach not anywhere than Nigeria? Anyway, my name is the Nyash president, and I continue to be number one Nyash president all over the world. Anyway, power to the Nyash. One M. Done for the day. Nigerians mumu.
Viewers, apologize. apologize and continue.